Steve, what are we riding?
The Wilderness Train, Wildlife Express train.
Let's enjoy ourselves on a train. Come with us. Well, I guess we have to wait for the next one. See you then.
Greetings, friends, and welcome aboard the Wildlife Express. For a safe journey, remember to stay seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Sit all the way back against the back. Please be sure to watch your shoulders. Asante.
Bienvenidos a bordo del Wildlife Express. Para que tengan un viaje seguro, manténganse sentados, con las manos, brazos y las piernas dentro del tren. Siéntense hasta atrás, pegados a la espalda de la banca.
You guys,
Por favor.
again, anytime you want to pause, you can pause the screen and look around.
Aboard the Wildlife Express, with service to Kimmel Planet Watch. Discover a wide range of animal activities. From the affection section, you can get up close and personal to domestic animals like goats, sheep, snakes, and animals. And our veterinary also, Disney characters inspired by live animals from one of our animators. The tradition of animals and animation reaches all the way back to Walt Disney himself and his long-standing passion for conservation. It is important that we protect our wildlife and preserve our natural world. This sense of conservation takes place from animation, conservation, to Disney's Animal Kingdom each and every day. As we make our way to Rafika's Planet Watch, keep an eye out for some of the exciting wildlife we might encounter along the way, and the highly trained specialists who care for them. From ostriches and rhinos to the mighty African elephant, the species we care for here at Disney's Animal Kingdom are so very safe animals that it's taking lessons like the Lion King, the Jungle Book, and more.
Charles, as you know about this bag, you better help with a rhino. You need to supply the outside as well as inside in the barn. Once you pass through the barn, drop them food inside the windows.
There they are.
And natural behaviors of the real wild even with amazing advances in human animation, continues to
Inside here.
here at Disney's Animal Kingdom.
Elephants in there.
Oh,
Hanging out.
Rewards fee. Those crowds. See
Go wherever the next one.
which is Lord Jim.
Yeah. Okay. We made it.
That's it?
That's it. You head out that way. We made it. Well, Lise, we made it to a new land.
We did.
Conservation. What are we going to see in this new land?
And
We'll see what happens. All right, stay tuned to see what happens. Right, Lise?
right.